Hello, Tony. Hello, Jenny. Gogo! Sorry, Jenny. Sorry, Tony.
Gogo, my jumper is dirty. My T-shirt is dirty. What's that? It's a robot.
What do you want?
What do you want, Jenny?
I want a T-shirt, please.
She wants a T-shirt.
That T-shirt is grey. I don't like grey.
What color do you want?
I want orange, please.
She doesn't like grey. She wants orange.
Thank you.
What do you want, Tony?
I want a jumper, please.
What color do you want?
I want purple, please. I'm cold.
Do you want a hat and a coat?
Yes, please.
I'm cold too. I want a hat and a coat. We're cold. We want hats and coats, please.
They want hats and coats.
What do they want?
They want coats.
What do they want?
They want hats.
We want hats and we want coats.
Hats and coats and coats and hats.
Do you want a hat and a coat, Gogo?
I want a hat and a coat, please.
Oh!
I want a car. What do you want, GB?
I want a boat, please.
She wants a boat.
Thank you, Gogo.
What do you want, Tappy?
I want a plane, please.
He wants a plane.
Thank you, Gogo.
What do you want, Pod?
I don't know.
Do you want a zebra?
No, thank you. I don't want a zebra. I don't like zebras.
Do you want a tiger?
No, thank you. I don't want a tiger. I don't like tigers. I know. I want an elephant, please. Thank you, Gogo. I like elephants.
Do you want ice creams?
Yes, we do. We want ice creams.
They want ice creams. I want an ice cream too. 4 ice creams, please.
you.